Don't the best ideas pop into your head when you least expect them to? When you have something great, you don't want to let it go. That's where Buffer's Create space swoops in to help. Just head to the Create tab in your dashboard. This is where you can save captions, upload images, store links, and ultimately build your content pipeline, all without needing to schedule anything yet. Every thought, every photo, and every link is saved as an idea. It sits there safely, ready to develop into a full post whenever you are. You can organize your ideas in a way that makes the most sense for you, with a gallery view for a big picture look, or a Kanban style board to move ideas through your content process. And to make sure you follow each idea from conception through engagement, add tags to group your content by theme, campaign, or platform. With a tag applied, you can monitor that post's future success in your analytics dashboard. Once your idea is polished and ready, just hit the Create Post button. Add the final details and then schedule it to be published at the time and date of your choosing. And sometimes we just need a little extra inspiration. We have 3 tools for you. You can use the built-in AI assistant to generate custom content ideas in seconds. You can use a posting template from our long list here to add a new flair to your content that week. Or you can share articles from other creators using our built-in RSS feed, perfect for sharing fresh and relevant content with your audience. Think of the Create space as your content scratchpad. Dream up, gather, and polish your content ideas in one place, right inside Buffer.